this was supposed to be a really quick 30-minute job. It always turns into a project. As you can tell, in the shower with the blind closed, there's absolutely no light. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut a hole up here and add a light fixture, tie it into this one. First we're going to turn off power to this light, take it down, and probably push us a piece of wire through there. So in order to kill power, come to your record box. So it says master bath lights and outlets, number 1. That's it, killed it. As you can see, a lot of things are jerry-rigged in my house. It should have been a junction box here, but there's just a hole drilled. We're going to test for voltage. So these wires are dead. So this is how this thing works. When you get close to a live circuit, these boxes are created the thickness of your sheetrock, I think about a 5/8 inch, in case you have like a plywood. And so now we're going to try to fish the wire up and over to our shower spot over here. If you can hold it, well, hold it like right around the edge, so you suck the dust off.
Okay.
I'm just using this piece of wire to make sure I can't touch any studs. I did mark them before. See, I think there's a stud right there, which is about right here is where I marked it at. So, which I've got plenty of room from it. Now I just want to make sure there's no wires laying down. Alright, so we got this huge hole cut out. We had to use a sawzall because this used to be a garage and they've got decking above the sheetrock, and I didn't have anything to cut that, so I just made sure there was no wires. Courtney's trying to fish the wire from that outlet, and I'm gonna reach up here and try to grab it. Got it.
Yeah. Okay. Wow, one thing went correct.
Now we have an actual junction box instead of the screws just being screwed into the sheetrock and decking.
Hit yourself.
You want to twist your wires together so that when you put your nuts on, you're not unthreading them. Your wire nuts. So now we have a hanger for our light that's attached to a junction box. That junction box is screwed in to the sheathing upstairs. Yellow wire is existing, white wire is going to the shower. Courtney's going to get us some electrical tape. We will soon have a light. I told them to twist their wires the right way, and I've done mine backwards. Do as I say, not as I do. So you put the electrical tape on there so when that thing heats up and contracts, you don't have them caps don't fall off. Head. But this little box has a cord coming out of it, a plug into the light, and this here is your junction box. So we'll knock out one of these, and we'll wire this up, and then it has a switch here, so you can turn it to 5,000, 4,000, or 3,000, depending on what light style you want. Close it back up, push it up in the ceiling. Alright, so bring me the light. Go turn on number 1 breaker. Should be down at the bottom right.
Found it.
You know, is that good?
Yeah.
This kills everything. Alright, so go turn your breaker back off. Leave that on.
Leave this on?
Yes.
And the vent too?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. I'll turn both of them off. Alright. So this just has a little nut. I'm going to go ahead and put some electrical tape on that. So this thing has 2 little tabs. And so you'll stick these tabs up, stick it up in the wall, and then when it gets in the wall, those tabs are going to fall down and hold it in there. Even though we're going through sheetrock and plywood, these will still be good. It'll still be enough to hold it down. And these are canless, but it still has a 6-inch diameter, so that's why we had to cut such a large hole in the ceiling. Again. Sweet's that. This thing is only like a 1/16 inch thick. You can't even tell it's there.
Ready?
Hang on with. Yeah. So now you can take a shower and see what you're washing. And so we fixed the junction box in this light, so it's now correct. Installed this light. So this is the Halo 6-inch ultra thin down light. No housing required. I think it's like $17 at Lowe's LED. And so you can adjust the color from more yellow to more bright white. We've got ours set on I think 3500, the yellow. So alright guys, I just want y'all to see how much brighter it is. The blind closed, there's absolutely no light. Now that we've got this light in, I mean, this thing is bright, boy. And word to the wise, whenever you put your shower curtain in, for heaven's sake, put your shower curtain further away than the bottom. I've been in half y'all folks' houses, and you fight the darn shower curtain more than you take a shower. You want that shower curtain to fall away from you. Half y'all gonna be in there redoing your shower curtain after this video. That's it, guys. Maybe it made a little sense and you learned something. Like, subscribe, share with all your friends.